In 2024, the realm of 3D printing continues to evolve, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike an array of budget-friendly options without compromising on quality and functionality. Welcome to the realm of the best budget 3D printers of 2024, where innovation meets affordability. In this era, technological advancements have made it possible for manufacturers to produce printers that cater to a wide range of needs, from hobbyists exploring the creative potential of 3D printing to small businesses seeking cost-effective prototyping solutions. These printers boast impressive features such as high-resolution printing, sturdy construction, user-friendly interfaces, and compatibility with various filaments. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just diving into the world of additive manufacturing, these budget-friendly options promise to unlock endless possibilities for bringing your ideas to life. Join us as we explore the top contenders in the realm of affordable 3D printing, where innovation meets accessibility like never before. Elegoo Mars 3. The Elegoo Mars 3 is a groundbreaking addition to the world of desktop masked stereolithography apparatus 3D printers. Priced at a modest $169, this remarkable machine redefines precision and output quality in its class. Featuring a 6.66-inch mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, the Mars 3 boasts a 30% higher XY resolution at 35 micrometers compared to its predecessor, the Mars 2. Additionally, it offers an impressive 37% larger build volume, ensuring ample space for your creative endeavors. One of the standout features of the Mars 3 is its Release Film 2.0 technology, which reduces release tension, ensuring that small and thin supports added to your models remain intact throughout the printing process. This enhancement results in a significantly improved success rate when printing intricate 3D models with intricate details. Furthermore, the Mars 3 incorporates an upgraded light source comprising 36 highly integrated LED lights with a state-of-the-art COP lens. This innovation delivers over 90% uniformity of UV light illumination, elevating printing accuracy to unprecedented levels. To address concerns about heat dissipation and longevity, Elegoo has optimized the heatsink unit of the Mars 3. By utilizing copper tubes and a high-quality cooling fan, the printer achieves exceptional heat dissipation performance, with light decay reduced to less than 5% after 6,000 hours of printing. This ensures the longevity of the UV LED lights, providing users with reliable performance over an extended period. In summary, the Elegoo Mars 3 sets a new standard for budget-friendly 3D printing, offering unparalleled precision, reliability, and performance at an affordable price point. Anycubic Kobra 2. The Anycubic Kobra 2 is a game-changing addition to the world of 3D printing. Priced at an affordable $209, this cutting-edge machine promises to revolutionize your printing experience with its advanced features and user-friendly design. One of the standout features of the Anycubic Kobra 2 is its lightning-fast printing capabilities. With a maximum print speed of 300 millimeters per second and accelerated speed of 3000 millimeters per second squared, it can complete prints up to 6 times faster than conventional printers, saving you valuable time and increasing productivity. The Kobra 2 also boasts a brand new Levic 2.0 automatic leveling system, ensuring fast and precise leveling without the need for manual adjustment. This, combined with a tailored modular design, allows for smart offset adjustments to the Z-axis, catering to various printing needs with ease. Efficient filament delivery is ensured by the dual-geared extrusion structure, which accurately controls material flow. With an upgraded extruder power of up to 60 watts, filament melts quickly, enhancing flowability and contributing to faster printing speeds. To further optimize printing performance, the Kobra 2 features rapid cooling technology, with a cooling fan reaching up to 7,000 RPM. This ensures swift cooling of printed models, resulting in faster overall print times. Stability during printing is enhanced by the double Z-axis fretted rod structure, which reduces lifting resistance and ensures a flat building platform. This, combined with easy modular assembly and a comprehensive 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen interface, offers users a seamless and intuitive printing experience. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Anycubic Kobra 2 is not just a printer, it's a reliable partner in bringing your ideas to life with precision and efficiency. Creality Ender 3 Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Neo is a reliable and feature-packed 3D printer that offers exceptional value at just $204. Designed to streamline the printing process and enhance user experience, the Ender 3 Neo combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. One of the standout features of the Ender 3 Neo is its upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology. This intelligent leveling system eliminates the need for manual leveling, saving users valuable time and ensuring precise printing height adjustment across the entire print bed. Equipped with a full metal extruder, the Ender 3 Neo delivers smooth filament feeding, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage and ensuring consistent print quality. Additionally, the corrugated heatsink design enhances heat dissipation, enabling rapid cooling down and minimizing print time. The Ender 3 Neo features a silent main board that operates at low decibels, creating a quiet printing environment ideal for home, office, or educational settings. This silent operation is complemented by the printer's ability to resume printing from the last recorded extruder position in the event of a power outage, providing peace of mind and minimizing print failures. Furthermore, the Ender 3 Neo boasts a durable carborundum glass build surface, which effectively reduces warping issues and ensures even heating for optimal adhesion. Finished models can be easily removed by bending the print sheet, simplifying the print removal process. In summary, the Creality Ender 3 Neo offers a winning combination of advanced features, reliable performance, and affordability. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro is a cutting-edge 3D printer engineered to elevate your printing experience to new heights. Priced competitively at $359, this advanced machine combines lightning-fast speed, precision engineering, and user-friendly features, making it the ideal choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. At the heart of the Neptune 4 Pro is its Clipper firmware and powerful processor, enabling blazing fast printing speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second. With a recommended printing speed of 250 millimeters per second, this printer allows you to bring your creations to life in record time. To ensure exceptional precision, both the X and Y axes of the Neptune 4 Pro are upgraded to robust all-metal guide rails with U-shaped steel wheels. This upgrade minimizes drag and ensures smooth, accurate movement, resulting in flawless prints every time. With a generous build volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 10.43 inches, the Neptune 4 Pro offers ample space for large-scale projects. The printer features segmented heated zones, with 2 independent heating areas that optimize power consumption and speed up heating. Additionally, the self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder boasts a 5.2:1 reduction ratio, providing powerful extrusion and smoother filament feeding. Combined with a metal throat pipe and unique air duct design, this extruder reduces the risk of nozzle clogging, ensuring uninterrupted printing. With its easy-to-use auto bed leveling system and compatibility with a wide range of filament materials, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro offers versatility and convenience. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is a powerhouse 3D printer designed to elevate your printing experience to new heights. Priced at $299, this cutting-edge machine boasts a host of features that combine speed, precision, and convenience, making it the perfect choice for beginners and professionals alike. At the core of the M5C is AnkerMake's Power Boost 2.0 technology, enabling rapid production with speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second while maintaining an impressive 0.1 millimeter precision. Whether you're printing intricate designs or large-scale projects, this printer delivers high-speed, quality results every time. Equipped with an ultra-direct extruder and a 0.2 millimeter nozzle, the M5 Coulombs supports intricate designs with smooth detail, achieving resolutions of up to 50 micrometers. Backed by sophisticated algorithms, this printer ensures flawless prints with stunning detail and accuracy. With AnkerMake app connectivity, you can effortlessly manage and control your prints via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth through the AnkerMake app. This seamless integration offers unparalleled convenience, allowing you to monitor and adjust your prints from anywhere. Broaden your creative horizons with the M5C's 300°C all-metal hot end, capable of handling a variety of filaments. This versatility allows you to experiment with different materials and achieve stunning results with ease. Integrated beginner features such as 49-point automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery, and a PEI flexible magnetic print plate simplify the printing process, making it easy for users of all skill levels to achieve professional quality prints. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C is a versatile and powerful 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and convenience in one sleek package.